Loading. Please wait.
Welcome to Drummond Island. It's 6th or 7th of July. I have no idea. I know it's a Tuesday in July. We've been pretty much working non-stop here on getting projects done. We've got all the windows done and the little breezeway out here. And we're kind of getting down to the smaller projects, which is good. So we'll give you a little tour of what we got done right now. So stay tuned.
So we're gonna interview the homeowner here and see why they're so PO'd about it.
Some guy's driving in the swamp, that's why.
Trying to cut your trees down,
Yeah,
see?
stop taking my trees. I speak for the trees.
I should have just took them down, shouldn't I?
What'd you say?
I should have just pulled the trees out, shouldn't I? There's a big dead one down in the see it, sticking all that up.
What were you doing with all my poor swamp grass? Warning, never operate a saw without the guard, like I'm about to do.
What are we doing here, Dad?
Yeah, we're putting up the siding, but we're trying to be as quiet as possible. Ah! She got the knife out.
Hold on, I gotta trim up your sideburns.
Wow, this is something, guys.
Okay, let's trim up.
I'm already regretting it, boys.
Okay, flip over to the other side. We gotta finish
How you doing there? How you doing?
It.
Tell us your thoughts on these.
I think I'm gonna regret it, but
You got halfway done.
You gotta cut the top. You gotta trim the top a little bit, but I'll show you once you're done. Okay, good. Tell me that isn't a lot of hair.
And if you could like and subscribe, it would help a lot. And if you wanna watch our other videos and be notified when we post the video, hit the bell icon after you hit the subscribe button.
I can see her playing with her bowl.
Today we're at the 4th of July parade. Let's see what it has to offer.
Go feed the dog.
Look at that boy. He got a sunroof. I found a spider in my